Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to go over the top 5 affiliate programs that I'm currently promoting in 2021. So for those of you who do not know what affiliate marketing is or what affiliate programs are, affiliate marketing is when somebody like you or me partner with a pre-existing company and we promote their company and we receive a commission anytime a sale occurs, right? So let's go ahead and dive into the computer and take a look at my top 5 companies for 2021. So as you can see right now, I have a website called Clickfunnels pulled up. What Clickfunnels is, it's a funnel hosting website. It's a web builder, right? So people go here and they build funnels or websites that funnel their customers through the sales process, right? And you can see right here, there's over 110,000 active users, $11.2 billion processed, right? But it shows you what a funnel is. If you look right here, it's essentially a step-by-step website that you want your customers to do, like the actions you want them to take. So like the very first page is a landing page, usually like an email opt-in page, right? And then it could go to like a sales page or then an upsells page or then a membership area, right? So it could just keep stacking pages exactly how you want your customers to go through, right? So a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners are actually resorting to this type of website via the traditional website, right? Because a traditional website, there's just too much going on and you don't actually direct your customer to the exact steps that you want them to take. So this is what I personally use in my business, and this is what a lot of other people are starting to transition to. So I highly recommend it. So let's talk about their affiliate program, right? So for almost any affiliate marketing program, you would just go to the original website, right? And scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you would try to find something like this tab right here where it says affiliates, right? You would just click that affiliates button and it's going to pull up the affiliate page, like the resource page, so you can see exactly what the affiliate program has to offer. So let's take a look right here and I'll show you why I really like this one for one of my top picks. So ClickFunnels pays up to 40% monthly recurring commissions. So what's super awesome about that is recurring commissions means I'm able to actually project my income for months to come. So as soon as you start getting like leads and you start understanding how to actually build this business and sustain it, well, then you start to collect data. And as you collect data, you can project and forecast future income streams based off of stuff like recurring commissions. If I know, so what happens here is ClickFunnels has 2 price structures for the programs, right? They have a 97 and a 297. Well, if I'm making 40% of monthly recurring commissions per member, let's say my members are on the $97 per month plan. Well, let's just say I have 10 members, right? Well, 10 members is going to be 40% of $97 per month for each member times 10. So it'd be $970, then take 40% of that. And 40% of that is roughly, we're just going to say $400, right? Well, I now know I'm going to make $400 per month recurring as long as those members stay active members, right? And the beautiful thing about ClickFunnels is it is literally the member, this is what they're using to build their website. And most people don't shut their websites down every month, right? So they plan on being members for a long time to come, right? And even if they aren't, eventually once you start collecting data, you can see what your retention rate is and stuff like that. And this will allow you to further forecast your income moving forward. So I do really love this one as well. And they give you so many different products to promote. You can see right here, they have this one called the One Funnel Away Challenge, the 30 days. In addition to 40% on the front end, you could also receive $100 commission for sales of these 2 products. So instead of actually just promoting like ClickFunnels as an affiliate, you could promote like the One Funnel Away Challenge or what have you. And in turn, you get $100 commission immediately, and you will also receive the 40% recurring commission as well as those people become members, right? So the one thing I do, like you can see, scroll down a little bit more, you can see I love this. They give you so many different opportunities to get your customers in the door. Like they let people, you could earn $1 per book, which isn't much, but you can earn up to an additional $248 in commissions on the back end offers. So they actually have like a value ladder and they do upsells, right? So your goal is just to get somebody in the door, right? And then you can see the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I love how they give you so many different ways to promote their program, right? Or to promote this offer. So it's just so many different directions you could go to get somebody in the door to become a member for ClickFunnels. So I absolutely love it. The commission structure is amazing. Again, up to 40%. Once you hit 100 members, you actually get an additional $500 if you're eligible per month for your car. It's called the Dream Car Giveaway. And once you hit 200 members, they give you an additional $1,000 per month, right? So ClickFunnels is super awesome. Love it. I love it. Let's move on to number 2, and make sure you stick with me all the way till number 5. Number 5 is going to be my absolute favorite, the best one. And if you stay till number 5, you'll get an opportunity to make some extra money, right? Actually with that affiliate program. So check this out. Let's jump over to number 2. And number 2 is going to be Bluehost. If you don't know what Bluehost is a web hosting service. I can't really explain too much on that. If you have a website, you usually want to host it somewhere. That's how it's got to be broadcasted on the World Wide Web. These hosting services are known as, I use Bluehost and I'm an affiliate for them. So like my websites are hosted on Bluehost. I don't know really how else to explain it. It has to be hosted somewhere, right? So the thing about Bluehost is their affiliate program, you earn $65 for each qualified signup. And everybody they need a website to host. They need a host to host their domain name, right? So my domain name is austinbecker.com, right? www.austinbecker.com. I host it with Bluehost. They host it on the World Wide Web. So I have a Bluehost account, right? But I also am an affiliate. And everybody else that wants to have a website, well, they need to host a website somewhere. So as an affiliate, I could provide my affiliate link, right? And anytime that somebody wants to like buy a domain name and host a website and they go through my affiliate link, I'll make $65 for each qualified sign up, right? So I absolutely love this one. It goes hand in hand with ClickFunnels and hand in hand with my business, right? So it just makes sense. And what's awesome is like, it's immediate. Like as soon as somebody buys a website, they get this, then they go over to ClickFunnels and then I get a recurring commission, right? So it's super awesome. Love this one. It's easy to promote because people actually need this. They will benefit from it and it'll work, right? It's as simple as that. My third one is going to be GetResponse. So GetResponse it's an email autoresponder. So like when you're going through your emails and you subscribe to like an email list and then you start getting emails every single day from the same company, like almost any big corporation, right? If you join their email list, save 10%, and then boom, you're getting emails for the rest of your life, right? Well, that's what an email autoresponder is. So almost every company has these. Any big company or any company at scale or any company attempting to scale and automate their business will have some sort of email autoresponder, right? I choose to use GetResponse and promote GetResponse as an affiliate as well. So it's a great one for affiliate to affiliate for. And some reasons why are because you get 2 different options to choose from. You could either refer somebody to GetResponse and make $100 for every sale referred. So it's immediately $100 as soon as they sign up, and you get $100 one time. Or if you feel as though that customer you're referring is going to be a valuable customer, right? They're going to scale their business, or the business is already at scale and they're going to start spending more and more every single month, growing their email list and growing, right? You could send them to a 33% recurring program, right? So let's just jump over here to the pricing. And what this will do, it will give you 33% of whatever pricing they are under. So if they're a professional, they say their list size is 10,000. That's a very modest list, like very small list, right? That's a beginner pretty much. At $165 per month, if they go to this, you will be making 33% of that. I don't really know what the numbers are, maybe $45, but it will be every single month and it'll be recurring. And I love recurring because it lasts long time, like over and over. It helps you forecast and project and have sustainability in your business instead of one-off affiliate offers, right? I love that model. So I absolutely love GetResponse to tie in with my Bluehost and ClickFunnels affiliate offers, right? So let's go on to number 4. Number 4, I absolutely love. You can start with number 4 today. Like you're probably like, I don't use Clickfunnels. I don't need a website. All of these other things. It sounds complex. You don't have an autoresponder. You don't know if your email or your audience is going to want this. Well, something you can start as soon as today is going to be Skillshare. So what Skillshare is, it's a website for people like you and me or anybody else that want to get any information or knowledge or education on certain topics could come over here, right? So if you go to Skillshare.com and you click right here, the browse tab, you can see they have all kinds of categories like animation, creative writing, film and video, fine art, graphic design, illustration. So if I want to learn illustration, I could come in here and I could go to Skillshare and I could go to the illustration tab and I can take a course on illustration and go through and learn how to draw, right? So it's super awesome. If I ever wanted to just come in here, if you take a look at the screen, popular illustration classes. So what this is, it's classes available to people like you and me to learn skills, right? So they could go in here and they could enroll in these classes and they can watch these videos and learn how to do whatever it is they want to learn how to do. But again, we want to be affiliates and put this in front of people and see everybody could get value from this website. Everybody wants to learn skills. Everybody may be interested in things and they can come over here and take courses, right? So if they sign up for a plan, then they can have access to all of these courses, right? It's a monthly plan. But the good thing about their affiliate program is, so scroll to the bottom and go down here to where it says affiliates, and we're gonna click that. The good thing about their affiliate program is, as an affiliate, our only goal is to refer somebody to the free trial for Skillshare, right? So Skillshare pays you $7 for every new customer you refer, and it does not have to be a purchase. As long as they sign up for a free trial, you will receive a $7 commission. It even says so right down here. $7 in commission for each new customer that signs up for a premium membership or free trial. So all you really have to do is give them the link. If they sign up, they get to check it out for 14 days for free at the time of this video. And if they do or do not even make a purchase, you still receive $7 because Skillshare understands the value or what the cost per customer is or what the value of a lead is, right? So they're willing to pay people like you and me $7 to bring them that lead, right? So it's awesome. You just come in here and you hit join for free. And another thing I absolutely love about Skillshare is it does have a 30-day cookie, which means anybody that does come over to Skillshare through your affiliate link will be cookied to you for the next 30 days. So even if they don't sign up the first day, but they sign up within the next 30 days for that free trial, you will still receive that $7 commission, right? So I absolutely love Skillshare. Anybody can start with it as soon as today, right? You just click here and go sign up for your application on Impact. As soon as you're approved to start promoting it. That leaves us with number 5. Number 5 is going to be one of my favorite, and I absolutely love it because it's going to help everybody with their finances for the rest of their life for the most part. It is an investing platform known as WeBull, right? So WeBull is where people like you and me and everybody else could go invest. They can invest in stocks. They can invest in options. They can do option trading. They can invest in ETFs, right? And they can now even invest in cryptocurrencies. So WeBull allows people to do this from an app on their phone, from a desktop application. They don't have to go to a CPA. So yes, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not going to tell you what to invest in, but it is a good way to get your foot in the door to start investing, right? So it's awesome, and they have all different types of stuff here for like accounts, IRAs, and stuff like that, like your Roth and all of that. We're not going to get into that in this video, but I do like this as an affiliate. So you have to actually sign up or be invited to the WeBull influencer program, partner with WeBull to achieve financial future, and you could hit join now. So you would just type in WeBull influencer program and you could come sign up. And the things I like about this though, is that first off, you're really helping other people. A lot of people have questions about investing in stocks and stuff like that. But not only are you helping other people, like you receive a commission or a gratuity from promoting, right? So what happens is whenever I refer somebody to WeBull, like if you click the link in the description, that's my call to action, click the link in the description to sign up for WeBull, you will get, at the time of this video, currently 2 free stocks valued anywhere up to $1,850, right? So not only is the person being incentivized to invest, with 2 free stocks, they're also starting to invest in their future, right? So I absolutely love WeBull. You can see right here, 0 commissions trading on stock options and ETFs, free access to the WeBull desktop, free full extended hours trading, and free paper trading of real-time quotes. We're not going to get into all of the details, but again, it is one of my top affiliate programs for 2021. So I do thank everybody for being here. If you want to get your 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued all the way up to $1,850, go ahead and check the link in the description. And again, like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already. And I thank everybody for being here. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.